In my previous video, I told you the reason why I've not been creating content is because I went to learn more. And literally, I'm going to be showing you some of the things I've learned. And hey, if you are not into the AI world, then what are you waiting for? Artificial intelligence is the leading technology now that everybody is into. If you have not learned this, then I don't know what you're waiting for. I just want to show you. For instance, this is a video I created for a
Welcome to SunPower Africa, leading provider of renewable energy services. We sell, install, repair, and maintain top-quality solar systems, general electronics across Cameroon. No more Sonel Wahala. Enjoy steady light, day and night. From homes to small businesses, we keep you powered and profitable. We don't stop at installation. We give you lasting support to make sure you never stay in darkness.
You can order online, it's fast, secure, and we deliver to your doorstep nationwide at the lowest prices.
Let's power your life. Call SunPower Africa AI today.
For more inquiries, call +2376 8340 5250.
Our head office is in Bafoussam, Cameroon. SunPower Africa, your light, our mission.
I believe if you look at that video, it is very, it's obviously good, right? And I believe that you love it. This is just it, and you can also see things like this.
Una good afternoon. Oh, I know say I fine inside this Bamenda clothes. I know una like me. I know say una be shocked. Say I be AI. I be AI. Yes, sir.
Yes, so even me, I be AI too.
Yes, it's all done by Big Benji Tech. You can follow us for more on all social media platforms. Search us on Big Benji Tech Community. We love you.
All this is created with artificial intelligence, and you don't know how to do this. Hey, I went for studies and I'm back. I don't know if you also want to study. Comment in the comment section below and let me know if I can organize a class for you, I and your family. Share this video and let others know that Big Benji has something new for you guys. Love you, and you can contact me through this number if you need something like this. Please remember that I'm also here to advertise your businesses. If you want to use AI generated videos like this, all that you see are not real human. They are all created. There is a way to go about it. And if you want to learn, why not just come? Big Benji is open for you. See you in the next video. Please share this video.